everyone, I'm here in front of you to discuss about the different types of sandwiches. So before we start, let's have a prayer first. So Miss Tamayo, can you please lead the prayer? Amen. So before we start, let's have an attendance first. So instead of saying present, say humpy dumpy. So nagigets ba? So okay, let's have an attendance first. So Mr. Alcantara. So Mr. Aranilla. Okay. Miss Argiza. Miss Carabelido. Mr. Dalida. Mr. Dikina. Miss Dilion. Miss Junlay. Mr. Enriquez. Miss Huron. Mr. Lopez. Miss Mando. Miss Maravilla. Miss Matriano. Miss Miones. Miss Oriones. Miss Orpinada. Mr. Paz. Miss Piñamante. Miss Quinto. Mr. Roca. Miss Rosas. Mr. Rufu. Miss Sharonel Salitico. Miss Achembre. Miss Tamayo. Miss Tanyada. Miss Tolentino. Mr. Usman. Miss Balduesa. So, very good. So, yan. Kompleto naman kayo. So, let's have a motivation first before we proceed to our discussion. So dito sa motivation, paunahan na lang kayo kung sa pagbuo ng word. Tapos, pag alam nyo yung sagot, taas na lang kayo ng kamay, okay? So, number 1, yes, Miss Matriano. Yes, that closed sandwich. So, number 2, yes, Miss Tamayo. Yes, that's open-faced sandwich. So, number 3, yes, Mr. Arelia. Yes, that's finger sandwich. So, yes, Miss Miones. Yes, that wraps flat. So, number 5, yes, Miss Dilion. Yes, very good. That's sandwich. So now let's proceed to our discussion. So sandwich is a dish typically consisting of vegetable, slice, cheese, or meat placed on or between slice of bread, or more generally, any dish wherein bread serves as a container or wrapper for another food type. So, si sandwich, di ba, may bread, may vegetable, may meat, then cheese, tapos bread. Yun yung pagkakaano ng sandwich. So, it's not clear why the English politician John Montagu, aka the 4th Earl of Sandwich, became the namesake of the food we call a sandwich. The first known use of the word sandwich comes from the diary of the English historian Edward Gibbon. So, saan nga daw siya nagmula? The first known use? So, yes, the diary of the English historian Edward Gibbon. So, on November 24, 1762, He wrote about seeing men eating a bit of cold meat or a sandwich, but there is no mention of the Earl being the namesake. So after English speakers adopted the word sandwich, they began coming up with new words and phrases to describe different types, from meaty sloppy joes to the layered club sandwich. Describing those different types from meaty sloppy to the layered club sandwich. So the first unang recipe daw na ay peanut butter and jelly sandwich na nag-appear no 1901 sa Boston Cooking School Magazine of Culinary Science and Domestic Economics. So, kailan nga daw siya, ano nga daw yung unang recipe na nakilala? Yes, Miss Salitico? Yes, that's correct. Peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So, anong taon nga daw siya nag-appear? Mr. Roca? Yes, very good. 1901 sa Boston Cooking School. So, open-faced sandwich, makikibasa nga. Miss Marabilia? So, yan. Diba, yung si sandwich, merong pinakang sa taas na bread din. Si open-faced sandwich, wala siyang bread din. Bread. Like bread. Then, meat, cheese, then the toppings. Yun yung pagkakaan na open-faced sandwich. So, closed sandwich, makikibasa. Mr. Lopez. Yes. Dito naman, si close, sa open-faced sandwich, wala siyang, diba, wala siyang bread sa unahan, sa ibabaw. Then, dito din sa closed sandwich, pwede siyang yung sandwich niya, yung bread niya is toasted. So, finger sandwich. A sandwich cut into a small rectangle, square, or triangle, usually with the crust, the outside harder part of a loaf of bread, cut off. So, dito naman, si fingertips, parang ganito lang siya, tap din, may fingertips, tapos merong, merong stick, yon. Si fingertips, na may layer din siya. May bread, then meat, cheese, vegetable, tapos bread na isang bite mo lang siya. So, let's proceed to wraps flat. So, wraps flat, culinary dish made with a soft flat bread rolled around a filling. So, dito naman si fingertips, diba? Isang bite mo lang siya. Tapos, ito naman, si wraps flat, pabilog siya. Para siyang sushi. So, ano nga daw po ulit yung 4 types of sandwiches? Yes, Miss Quinto? So, yes, very good. Open-faced sandwich, closed sandwich, finger sandwich, and then wraps flat. So, now, let's proceed to varieties of sandwiches. So, sandwich cake. The bread is cut into round circle and fillings are presented between round slice as to have a look like cake. So dito naman, para siyang cake pero sandwich siya. Na nilagyan lang siya ng icing sa palibot, tapos nilagyan siya ng design na mga pipino, yung ng mga strawberry, grapes, ganun. Like this. So, sandwich loaf. The filling is presented between 2 or 3 rectangular slices decorated as sandwich cake and sliced to the bread and served. So, dito para din siyang cake pero wala siyang mga icing. Then, wala din siyang decorate na slice lang tapos nilagyan ng filling sa gitna. Then, slice, then serve. So, sandwich ribbon. Generally prepared by using 2 colored with bread, brown or white. The fillings are presented well-balanced manner. It is cut into stripes and then served. So, dito, si sandwich para siyang sa fingertips. Kaso, si sandwich ribbon, ginagamitan siya ng mga iba't ibang kulay para parang maging stripe na tignan. So, si pinwheel bread slices are trimmed and flattened. The spread is applied along with filling are presented, and the loaf is rolled up and chilled. It is cut into slices and served. So, si pinwheel para din siyang sirup's flat. Kaso sirup's flat, more on parang mas madami siyang bread. Dito kay pinwheel, mas marami yung laman kasi malalaki. So, ano nga daw ulit yung varieties of sandwiches? Misaliti ko. So, yes, sandwich cake, sandwich loaf, sandwich ribbon, and pinwheel. So, that's all. Thank you for listening. Bye!